Today we're looking at the concept of assistance or assistance in relation to insurance. Insurance companies often partner with an assistance firm or they provide the service in-house, and it's the solution part of insurance, supplying the vehicle breakdown service, the plumber or the medical repatriation after something has gone wrong. But that's not all it is, nor all it's going to become. Well, to hear more, let's talk to Antoine Parisi, Chief Executive of the French group Europ, a leading provider of global travel insurance and other services since the 60s and part of the Generali Insurance Group. I'm Sarah Lockett. Welcome to the Business Debate. Antoine, welcome to the London Stock Exchange studios.
Thank you, Sarah. Very happy to be here.
So how do you find assistance in the insurance sense?
So assistance is a complement to insurance. In insurance, when you buy medical insurance and you are sick abroad, you would need to find your hospital by yourself. You would go by yourself, you would pay the hospital and then ask for a refund. In assistance, we would find you the right hospital. We would guarantee the quality of the hospital. We would help you get there, and if needed, we would even fly you back home. So it's basically from stress to relief. We are peace of mind for you.
And it's also many other things, isn't it? What else is it?
Assistance helps you in day-to-day services, such as finding a plumber when you need one. It helps you in stressful situations, such as a breakdown of your car in the highway, but we also help you in dangerous moments. So, for example, if you have an appendicitis in Kenya, we could send you a helicopter to bring you back home.
So you take all the stressful kind of logistical things out of it, don't you?
Exactly,
you
absolutely.
Handle those. And on the health side, which you mentioned, you're really expanding your services for older people, I guess because of the ageing population. Tell me about that.
Absolutely. So at Europ Assistance, we have a vision, which is we would like elderly people to have the choice to stay at home in good health as long as they can, rather than having to go to a retirement house. And we would help them find the right caregivers. We would have the technology to help them monitor their stay at home. And we have the platforms of people to talk to them when they need.
And technology, which you mentioned there, is really key to all of this working well, isn't it? So that you almost know that something's gone wrong for us even before we call you.
Well, absolutely. So today, for example, coming back to the elderly people, we can put sensors at your house that will determine what is your normal behavior. And then in case of abnormal events happening, so for example, you falling down, the sensors would detect that you fell down, and we would send automatically the rescue.
And even when you have broken down, say in your car, you make the call, you might not be speaking to a real person?
Absolutely. Already today, you speak to a virtual agent. And we are handling thousands of those without any human intervention.
Fantastic. And you're mostly B2B at the moment, business to business. Is that changing at all, that model? How does that model work?
So we have started B2C. We changed into B2B. We are 90% B2B. In B2B business, we work for corporations, car manufacturers, insurance companies, online travel agents. So the brand would be their brand. And we would be providing the service behind it. Increasingly, customers would like to buy this service direct now, and so we are making our service available to them.
And you're very well known in France and Italy, aren't you? But how are you expanding?
Well, we are very well known in all continental Europe, but also in Brazil, in South Africa, and now we are expanding into Asia. China and Southeast Asia are our strategic priorities moving forward.
And you also run a concierge service. Now tell me about that.
So this is for customers who need help in organizing events, finding tickets. So it's a 24/7 service. You just call us. You need tickets for the game, tickets for the show, a special booking in a restaurant. Our team will find it for you.
And you like to say, I think, you're in the helping business or not in the insurance business at all?
Well, we are here to help customers when they are in stressful situations. And we bring them from stress to relief, basically. That's our mission.
And I'm sure they appreciate it. Well, Antoine, thank you very much for telling us all about it.
Thank you, Sarah.
And join us next time when we'll be discussing the latest innovations in Islamic finance and digital banking. Bye-bye for now.